like your new sock hand? Huh, Ace? First time having rice and beans. That yummy? I love his little hand. The reason he has a sock is because he bit through his thumb from sucking it so much, so I had to put Neosporin and put a sock over it.
Looks like he's doing a puppet.
I know. You got your own puppet? Is that your own puppet, baby? Is that? It's so cute.
I don't want no more. I don't think he wants any more of this either.
Oh well. He had a lot. It was thicker than
did.
usual. So. You're so cute. You're so cute. I love you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I love you. Bye-bye. He's trying to do it.